YouTube, what up? So, back at the exact same spot. It might be a few days later, might be the same day. I don't know, the thing of editing. But we are gonna try to ride some more trails today, because last time I was here, holy chipotle, it was hot. 102, just terrible. So, let's get up there. Let's try a couple trails, tech trail, 2 tech trails into that nice flow trail again. And then try to pin it on the old cap. So it's gonna be like a 3-mile climb, and I'm not ready for it because I've been hitting those cooler banquets all weekend, but whatever, that's what we're here to do. So let's climb it. Well, it's Sandy Ridge, if you didn't know, and you can tell it's just a long ass logging road that gets steep, flat, steep, flat. Feels like it takes forever, because it does. It's just to get to Little Monk. Made it. Now I need to go straight here. A little up section into the good stuff. Fuck yeah. That was a hell of a climb. 2.5 miles of hell. Wasn't a big fan of that. But whatever. It's part of the game. This trail has some ups too in the beginning. This is the good part of Flowtron. So we're doing Flowtron. That's the name of this trail. Flowtron. Does it have flow? I don't remember. The only way to find out is to hit the bitch and go from there. So far, it's got flow. Whoa. Woo. Anxious. There we go. All right, calm down a little bit. Have some fun. Whoa. Okay. Okay. That's why you don't have clips. Damn, dude. You're just running mad loose. Still. Flowtron, flowy. What does that say? Trail work. No, is it still open? Let's hope so. This is pretty cool. A little loose, but sweet. Ooh, branch to the face. Glasses saved my eyes on that one. Oh my God. Cautious on this thing, especially for sliding out on that berm. See, these are some loosey juicies here. I know what this is. Hitting it. Fuck yeah, that's a fun one. That was a good time. Sick.
Right.
Awesome.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, you guys will be on there for sure. It's been picking up some steam.
That would be amazing.
I was just telling me, I got a little YouTube channel. I want them to
get a little picture with them.
Thank you.
You guys' trails are pretty much my favorite. I'm from the Bellingham area, so over by the border, like 40 minutes. Woo!
Transition country.
Yeah, that's where they're from. You guys gonna ride this one too?
Yeah, we're going down. Yeah, we're gonna do
We're doing this and then
this one and then Little Monkey. Yeah.
Sick. I can either follow you guys, you can follow me. You're halfway down or whatever, or close to halfway down, and we could just roll with that. If anybody's following, let's roll. And we go to the right or left. Yeah. That was sick. Met some cool people, man. Awesome. They were cool. Sweet. Oh, that was kind of goofy. That section was kind of lame. Ooh, that's a tight one. Tighty. What's that? Oh, it's a berm. Sick. Woo! This is sick. Awesome. That's booby trapped. Holy shit. Woo! Woo! I had to stop. And my legs are burning, dude. Doubles. Sick. Oh yeah, here's where we could stop. Woo. Fantastic trail, guys. One of the best blues ever made.
I didn't sneak all the way down or cut over a Little Monkey.
You guys see some riders up there, or are they
Yeah.
There was several stops.
taking their time? Yeah, I met them up there. I want to stop and go to Little Monkey with them too. I'm from Seattle area, so I'm just up here ripping it up with the locals, you know.
Nice. We're from Bend.
Nice. Yeah, I drove 5 hours. 5 hours to ride this place. The team.
Yeah.
What a trail.
Yeah. So fun, beauty.
It's one of the best blues of all time.
Yeah.
A little slippery though.
Yeah. Yeah. There's some dust.
A little slippy. The capper just dominated it, so I don't want to make fun of it, but
Nice.
it just gobbled that up. Nice. Told you I'd wait. I wasn't gonna blow by you guys. Take your time. Take five. Take five.
Well, half of that
No.
I had it actually a little more low speed because when I was hitting those corners, it felt like my back end was a little spongy. So I added a little more low speed because flow,
Yeah.
you know, you don't want to compress too fast on the berm. They are just shredding the heck out of this place. One of my favorites though, Portland, right? No, this is Portland. No, this is Oregon. Oregon. I took this up and that was a bad mistake.
Oh, I heard, yeah.
That's like a power line steepy. It'd be like a fun exit if you were broke a chain or something. A few Feechies if you guys want to look at them, like that nice little buttery drop there. That one's fun. All right, let's get it. Whoa, Burmy. That one's loose already. That's the loose one right there. Okay, I'm good now. Get some speed back. That G'd me out pretty hard. Can't get any speed on those. This one you can. Woo! Oh, I didn't know you guys. I thought we were gonna stop.
Yeah.
Woo! We're gonna crank it right here. Holy shit!
Yeah.
It's loose. It's like scary. Pin it. Oh. Maybe not. Holy fuck. Dude, I almost died right there. That is not a berm anymore. That was terrifying. There you go. Hit the drop. Oh man. Woo! Oh. That is not a berm. Okay, cool. No problem, kiddos. Woo! Oh, you're good. You don't have to move. Thank you, though.
Yeah.
That was nice of you. You didn't have to. Sorry, mate. Oh, I'm sorry about that. It's that bucky ass rock. I fucked up that line with that berm, guys. Shit was a dust farm. I hit that corner and just lost all grip. Crazy though. That's my favorite line here. Definitely needs a little water right now. What a trip. Loved every second of it. Killer. What a trail system. You guys are spoiled. Love it. Awesome, guys. Fantastic. Little shredders. Woo! Good job. Woo! Nice. Rip it up. All righty. Good job. Woo! All right, little dude. Rip it up. Woo! Good job, man. Woo! I wish, man, my kid's 3, almost 3. I'd love to go on trails with her. Oh man, good job. Sorry about that if I came up fast. That was one heck of a trail though. Woo! Oh yeah. Woohoo! All right. No, I didn't ruin anything, man. I was actually saying I somehow hit that drop with like 2 pedals. And then I went to hit that big jump, and obviously I was going a little too slow, but then that step down, oh, I love that thing. You just land into a bunch of powdery rocks. I'm just like, oh, that's a good trail. That berm though, when I hit that thing, I'm telling you, there's not even, it's no grip. I hit it and I was going mid speed and I went straight for the tree, dude.
Super loose.
I was trying to turn and my bike slid right towards the tree. And then you passed me, and then that was a hell of a ride though.
That was fun.
Can't wait to come back.
Yeah.
Fantastic trail, dude. This trail is, I mean, the beginning I feel like the jumps need a little bit more lip because it's kind of like my bike just sucks them up, but then once you get flying, they're all, you just oversend them all, to tell you the truth.
Some of them they need a little adjustment.
When it gets redone in the spring and there's not those like braking bumps.
Yeah, the brake bumps,
So nice.
yeah.
Oh, it was a good one. It was fantastic.
This was fun.
Had a great ride with you guys. I appreciate you letting me ride with you.
No worries, yeah.
I'm over there, but it was awesome.
Yeah. All right, yeah, super nice to meet you.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Keep a lookout. I'll be posting it probably tomorrow, but I'll take Sandy Ridge in there. So I'll, you know, if you guys just look for Sandy Ridge recent videos, you'll find it.
Cool, man.
Awesome. Cool.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, I got a long drive, so I wish I can go up halfway. Later. That was fun. Fucking fun. Woo, 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 woo. Fantastic. Killer rip. Loved every second of it. Never take a good trail system for granted, boys and gals. It's good stuff. Let's change up.